ወይ ካልሆናችሁ ወይ ኢትዮጵያውያኖች ብላችሁ መሃል ላይ ትጨባለቃላችሁ።
Okay guys, hi.
Hi guys.
This is my friend. What's your name?
My name is Onet.
Anyways, so we got the Dubai chocolate and we're gonna try it and see and rate it 1 to 10.
Okay.
It was the viral Dubai chocolate የሚሉት ውስጡ አረንጓዴ ነገር ሳር ነገር ይመስላል። Pistachio? Pistachio?
I don't, yeah, with pistachio, yeah.
The green
is the pistachio.
But what is that? You know, ሳር ነው የሚመስለው.
But coconut እንትን መሰለኝ የሚያደርጉት.
Okay. Anyways, yeah. It's not from Dubai, it's from Turkish. የተገዛው so
እንግዲህ አረብ ሀገር ናቸው ሁለቱ.
Sure. Ooh, do you want to cut it to the oven?
Okay. Ooh, ish. It's not as thick.
Yeah, the most not as green.
Yeah.
Wait.
Sorry, no.
Try to get This is what it looks like. Very underwhelming, no? And the book
it's not fresh. Is that good fresh ነው የሚሰሩት ለዛ ነው ዱባይ.
Okay.
እንግዲህ
Cheers.
Cheers. Literally pistachio and chocolate. Yeah. It's good.
Yeah?
I like it. But ይሄን እንደዚህ ከወደድኩት ተጣፈጠኝ. I'm sure the fresh one, yeah. Do you like chocolate?
Yeah, but specific ones with them.
You're picky.
I'm very picky with chocolate.
It's good.
It's not bad. I like the chocolate. I don't know. I don't know. I feel
you don't like the main part.
It has an after taste, nigga.
I'm surprised I like it. Because me too. I only like plain chocolates. Chocolate, caramel. The simple. Yeah, I like it.
I don't like when chocolate has caramel inside.
You don't?
No, I like a clean chocolate.
You have a 5-year-old taste bud. That's what that means.
I think so.
I'm not saying it. Okay, let me play no got them.
Oh, I'm trying to make We are one to make you some bad.
Yeah. I like it. I like mine. Mine, I like the taste.
What do you rate it?
I would rate it. A good 7.